Hi dears, how are you doing? I'm sure you're wondering why my face is like that, yeah? I was about to make this design when I pulled out the feathers and oh my, the smell was awful. Chicken! This particular manufacturer actually used real chicken feathers. I was actually told some time ago that chicken feathers can be used, but it's placed in chemicals. Guess they didn't do this one well. So how do we solve it? Wait and see. Before we go ahead to solve it, if you want to know how I made this design, please write in the comment section below, teach me. If I get 100 teach me's, then I would get that done ASAP. So I put on my thinking cap and this is what I did. I got my perfume, sprayed it while it was inside the nylon, brought it out, sprayed it again some more, then I put it back in the nylon. And after I put it in the nylon, I tied it with rubber band and I left it for a day. Okay, it is the next day. Let's check it out. Pleasant scent. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you don't miss out on any tips like this. Okay, the Ventcraft Academy has these trainings ongoing. To enter into any of the classrooms, check the links below for more details. You check the description below. Thank you.